7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. At the lower deck we don't have 4 more bits to add. So we cannot directly add plus 4, right? We know that from the number 1 to 4 we can apply the small friend formula. So we have already used the bid of 5 at the upper deck. So here we cannot apply the small friend formula also, right? See the second sum, that is 8 plus 2. 8. Here we don't have 2 more bits to add at the lower deck, so we cannot directly add 2 here. So let us try for the small friend. We have already used the bid of 5 at the upper deck. So how we can solve this sum? In order to solve this sum, we need to learn a new concept in Abacus, a new technique in Abacus, that is called big friend. So what is big friend?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. In today's video, we will be learning the concept of big friends. So in the concept of big friends, you have to learn the big friends and some formulas. Okay. So what is big friends? So big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10. Which means any two numbers, if we add them together to get 10, those two numbers are the big friends of each other. Suppose we have the number 1. 1 plus how much is 10? 1 plus 9 is 10. So 1 and 9 are the big friend of each other. Like this, 2 plus 8 is 10. So 2 and 8 are the big friend of each other. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 3 and 7 are the big friend. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 4 and 6 are the big friend. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 and 5 are the big friend of each other. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 6 and 4 are the big friend of each other. Like this, 7 and 3 are the big friend of 8 and 2 are the big friend of each other, and 9 and 1 are the big friend of. How you will introduce the big friend concept to kids? First, let them to show their one finger, then ask them how many more fingers are required to make it 10 fingers. So 9 fingers. So 1 and 9 are the big friend of each other. We have 3 fingers. So how many more fingers we are required to make it 10 fingers? So 7 more fingers. So 7 and 3 are the big friend of each other. First, let them to practice this activity for some days so that they can memorize who is the big friend of which number. Once they are confident in memorizing the big friends, they can easily learn these formulas. So now let's learn how these big friend formulas are designed. What is big friend? Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10. So big friends are used in the numbers from 1 to 9. From 1 to 9 number we can use the big friend formulas. Big friends are required in those numbers where direct addition and subtraction of numbers is not possible in one shot. Okay. We have used 10 in each and every formulas. So we have to use 10 as the reference number or as the base number in case of big friend formulas. So now let's learn how these subtraction formulas and how the addition formulas are designed. If we want to add 1, we need to add 10, then subtract the big friend of 1, that is 9. Like this, if we want to add 2, we need to add 10, then subtract the big friend of 2, that is 8. If we want to add 3, we have to add 10, then subtract the big friend of 3, that is 7. So for addition of 4, we have to add 10, then subtract 6. For addition of 5, we need to add 10, then subtract the big friend of 5, that is 5. For addition of 6, we need to add 10 and subtract the big friend of 6, that is 4. Like this, for addition of 8, we need to add 10, then subtract the big friend of 8, that is 2. Like this, for addition of 9, we need to add 10, then subtract the big friend of 9, that is 1. Now let's know how the subtraction formulas are designed. If we want to subtract 1, we have to subtract 10, which is the reference number for big friends. Then add the big friend of 1, that is 9. If we want to subtract 2, we have to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 2, that is 8. Like this, if we want to subtract 3, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 3, that is 7. For subtraction of 4, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 4, that is 6. For subtraction of 5, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 5, that is 5. Like this, for subtraction of 6, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 6, that is 4. For subtraction of 7, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 7, that is 3. For subtraction of 8, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 8, that is 2. If we want to subtract 9, we need to subtract 10, then add the big friend of 9, that is 1. This is how our big friend formulas for addition and subtraction are designed. So in the concept of big friends, you have to first learn who is the big friend of which number. You have to first memorize who is the big friend of which number. So you must have to practice these formulas. When you will be more thorough in these formulas, you can able to practice the sums based on big friends. So in my upcoming videos, we will be learning these formulas in details with some examples. Till then, you practice the big friends and big friend formulas. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon. So keep learning and keep practicing the abacus with me, and thank you so much for watching.